Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at the Versace model 4361 in color code 5330/87. It's a red gold color frame. The style of the frame is oval, and this frame is RXable. On the temples here we have a gold Medusa emblem. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy and this is the serial number. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a dark gray color. Up here we have a Versace gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.